Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation Synopsis. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) especially is gauged to sort of arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.0067 toward 2025 in an unobtrusive manner's end. With the in every practical sense, current cost of $0.0030, truly Smooth Love Elixir for the most part holds its ground on the lookout, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) generally is expected to explicitly arrive at an especially greatest cost of $9.31 continuously 2030, which especially is genuinely huge. Experts project a bullish pattern for really Smooth Love Elixir in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $2.89 mark, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Long-haul investigation proposes that Smooth Love Elixir cost might actually flood to $3.77 by 2050, with an especially likely reach somewhere in the range of $3.59 and $4.07, which by and large is genuinely huge. Starting around 06 January 2024, especially Smooth Love Mixture truly is exchanging at $0.0030 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.06% in most recent 60 minutes. SLP truly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $123,556,847 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $12,379,070, or so they sort of thought. This sort of makes really Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, essentially positioning at 303 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the exceptionally Smooth Love Mixture cost expectation end of 2024, what will pretty Smooth Love Elixir for the most part be essentially worth in 2024, which sort of is very critical. Is somewhat Smooth Love Elixir an especially wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in a really significant manner? Will SLP value sort of outperform its untouched high? These by and large are our especially Smooth Love Mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, which basically is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) value expectation 2024, as per the extremely Smooth Love Elixir estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the SLP cost explicitly is supposed to really cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.0046, the normal truly least value worth of truly Smooth Love Mixture, toward the finish of the for the most part current year ought to in a real sense be $0.0045. Lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, SLP can arrive at a really most extreme value level of $0.0052, or so they certainly thought. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) value conjecture January 2024. For January 2024, the cost of pretty Smooth Love Elixir is generally anticipated to generally arrive at a really normal cost of $0.0032, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.0033 and an in every practical sense, least of $0.0029, which is very huge. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) value expectation February 2024. With respect to February 2024, genuinely Smooth Love Elixir cost truly is conjectured to truly arrive at a flat-out most minimal cost of $0.0032, which truly is genuinely huge. The SLP cost could truly arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.0035, with the typical expected cost around $0.0033 in an unpretentious manner. SLP value conjecture Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of commonly Smooth Love Mixture certainly is determined to truly be at around a truly least worth of $0.0033, so truly is Smooth Love Elixir a genuinely wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2024, really, in spite of mainstream thinking. The truly Smooth Love Elixir value worth can by and large arrive at a really limit of $0.0036, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.0035 in United States dollars, which generally is genuinely critical. SLP value figure April 2024. The in every practical sense, Smooth Love Elixir estimate for April 2024 expects that the SLP may arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.0038, with a very least cost of around $0.0034 in a by and large huge manner. Discussing the especially normal value SLP can truly stretch around $0.0035 for April in an especially huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation May 2024. The cost of commonly smooth love mixture generally is in a real sense anticipated to reach at an especially least worth of $0.0035 in May 2024, which explicitly is very huge. The SLP cost could in every practical sense arrive at a greatest worth of $0.0039, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.0037 all through 2024 in a for the most part significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the extremely greatest cost for really smooth love mixture could generally stretch around $0.0041. Besides, the minimum cost of SLP in June 2024 especially is $0.0037 with a by and large normal cost of $0.0038, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir Value Gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the really most extreme cost for truly smooth love mixture could explicitly stretch around $0.0043 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in July 2024 basically is $0.0039, with an especially normal cost of $0.0040, by and large further appearance how besides, the minimum cost of SLP in July 2024 generally is $0.0039, with a sort of typical cost of $0.0040 in a kind of enormous manner. SLP value figure August 2024. The Smooth Love Mixture estimate for August 2024 expects that the SLP may really arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $0.0045, with a base cost of around $0.0040, or so they sort of thought. Discussing the truly normal value SLP can truly stretch around $0.0041 for August in an essentially huge manner. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation September 2024. Smooth Love Elixir cost explicitly is supposed to reach between $0.0041 to $0.0046 in September 2024, while the kind of typical cost of SLP for the September in every practical sense stays around $0.0043, especially Smooth Love Elixir SLP Value Gauge October 2024. The fundamentally Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost for October 2024 may truly arrive at a really least worth of $0.0043, while the essentially most extreme gauge cost in a real sense is around $0.0049, showing that SLP value estimate August 2024. The Smooth Love Elixir figure for August 2024 expects that the SLP may basically arrive at a greatest worth of $0.0045, with a sort of least cost of around $0.0040. The genuinely normal cost for SLP by and large is anticipated to